Welcome to the demonstration of the Notebook Doc Generator tool. This tool is designed to automate the process of generating detailed documentation for your Python notebook files. With just a few clicks, you can create comprehensive documentation that includes the notebook name, high-level description, detailed description, execution flow, and even the full notebook code at the end of the document. Let's explore how this tool works in action. Choose Input option. There are two ways to input your notebook file for documentation generation. 1. Upload. 2. Access from Git repository. For this demo, we will use the Upload option. To get started, click on the Browse button. Upload your notebook. When you click the Browse button, a file picker will open. Select the Python notebook file .ipynb you'd like to generate documentation for. Generate documentation. Once the notebook file is selected, simply click on the Generate Doc button. The tool will then automatically call an LLM, Large Language Model API, to analyze the content of your notebook and generate a detailed documentation file. Download the generated document. After the tool finishes generating the documentation, you will see a download button enabled at the bottom of the page. Click the download button to download the generated document to your local machine. Explore the generated document. Let's open the generated document and review the contents. The documentation will contain 1. Notebook file name. The name of the notebook that the documentation is generated for. 2. High-level description. A brief overview of the notebook's purpose and logic. This provides readers with a quick understanding of what the notebook does. 3. Detailed description. For each step of the notebook, you'll find the corresponding code snippet along with an explanation. This section dives deeper into the notebook's logic, helping others understand how and why the code works. 4th, execution flow diagram. A visual representation of the notebook's execution flow. This diagram makes it easy to follow the sequence of operations and interactions within the notebook. 5. Notebook code details. At the end of the document, the full notebook code is appended. This ensures that anyone reading the documentation has access to the complete code for reference. Using this tool, notebook developers can easily generate detailed documentation with just a few clicks. This significantly reduces the manual effort required to write documentation and increases the developer's productivity. By automating the documentation process, developers can focus more on coding and less on writing extensive doc files. The AI-powered tool leverages advanced models to automatically create insightful documentation that improves collaboration and knowledge sharing within teams. In conclusion, AI is playing a key role in assisting notebook developers with documentation, making the entire process faster, easier, and more efficient. With this Notebook Doc Generator tool, developers can save valuable time and effort while ensuring that their work is thoroughly documented and accessible to others. Thank you for exploring the Notebook Doc Generator tool with us.